In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create GO2bank account. Let's get started. First, head over to the official website of GO2bank. Once you're in the website, go ahead and click on the option Open an account. Now you'll get two options. Get started. Already have a card, activate it. Click on the option Get started. You'll then be taken to the account opening page where you can begin entering your information, follow the on-screen instructions and provide the requested details including your name, address, date of birth, social security number and phone number. GO2bank may also ask for additional identification documents to verify your identity. After entering your information, carefully review everything to make sure it's accurate and complete. You'll also have to complete phone number verification and identity verification before you can fully open and use your account. Once your application is approved, GO2bank says your personalized debit card will generally arrive within 7 to 10 days. You'll then need to activate the card and add money to your account before using it. And that's how you can easily create GO2bank. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.